how to create table on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I am up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create a table on Canva. For that, you'll have to open Canva application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. Here, click on the plus icon to select the photo from your gallery. Here, make sure to select plain photo as your background. Now once you have done that, click on that plus icon again at the corner of the screen. After tapping on it, here tab on Elements. You will reach to this page. Here scroll down until you see Tables option. Below you will see some tables here. You can also explore various table options by clicking on See All button here. Once you reach there, select a table you like. Once you have found the table you like, simply click on it and add it to your design. Now you can customize it by adjusting colors, fonts, and many more. That's it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.